Remember that movie from the early 80s, Porky's? Here is the Pigpen Saloon. And here is beautiful downtown Hog Valley, where dreams come to die and people come to hide. But they're trying. Talking about dreams coming to die. Look at that downpour right there. Exactly where we want to go. Okay, I'm pretty sure that that storm blew by us. According to the radar, we're not going to get anything till after noon, so we'll see what happens. It's the exact reason why I thought this up right here. What we got here, everything's, creek's been up, so everything's been pretty much full of mud. Really no place to set anything down. So there you go. Radar lied. It's raining. Hopefully it'll just pass though. You got that one. You got that one. That's a long nose too. Or is it a spotted?
Oh, he's pretty.
It is nice looking.
If I got my,
It's a nice looking fish right there.
do I have gloves? Do we have gloves?
I got nothing, Shane.
All right, let me see what I can do here.
There you go.
All right, let me hold it.
Hold on.
I'll hold it and then you can take it off.
You got pliers or anything?
No. Down the front of my
Yeah, because they're pretty wicked.
here.
Well, I guess that's probably a spotted. Yeah, it's a nice looking.
Little one, but it's still fun.
Yeah. You're gonna have to give me a second to get the net set up, Gene. Oh, it's a big catfish.
Oh, shoot.
Look at that, it's a beauty.
Yes, that's a big one.
It's a channel cat too.
Right,
You want the net, or you just wanna?
I'll just drag him in.
All right.
Shit. All right, let me get my.
Nice channel cat.
Can you hold my phone a minute?
Yeah.
Let me get the lip holder here. Okay, hold on, buddy. That was the first cast.
Trying to break this branch off, and a stump knocker came out and grabbed my lure. Dropped my lure in the water by accident. Gene's got something big. Oh, that was a heck of a splash, Gene. Big catfish? Okay. Nice catfish anyway. Another channel cat.
It's not as big as the other one, but.
Yeah. Nice channel cat.
Yeah, nice and clean.
Gene's got something. Gene's got another nice catfish there.
See? Nice one.
Another channel cat, or is that a white cat?
I don't know. I'll bring it over and show you.
If we were eating catfish, there'd be 3 nice channel cats right there.
Is that a channel right here?
Now, you know what? That's a white cat.
Is it?
Yeah. See how wide his mouth is?
Oh, yeah.
2.
Okay.
All right, we got some wicked black clouds moving in on us here. We already got rained on once. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to pack up our little camp we got set up here and slog on out of here. You can see the water's up in here. It's just up a little bit over the banks. That's the reason why a lot of the year you really can't even get in here. This is only ankle deep muck, but for a lot of the year there might be 2 foot of water in here. We try to take advantage of this as much as we can while the water's down.